Hi friends, April Strong. I wanted to make a really quick video to help explain a few things that you might be running into as you're trying to get students to log into a Google Classroom before we start remote learning next week. I had a few of you reach out through text or email and say, help! My parents are sending screenshots, they're getting errors when they're trying to log in with my join code to Google Classroom. What's going on? So I did a little digging and I logged in first to my daughter's accounts so I could see the student view. I have to say, I think it's super smart that so many of you have started off by telling your students to log into ClassLink before anything else. So smart, easy peasy lemon squeezies, let's go. Once I'm in ClassLink, I know that I can get to the other programs because they're all preloaded and populated, and for the most part, logins and passwords are saved. So I love seeing the first step is log into ClassLink. Check, done. I'm logged into my daughter's ClassLink account. The next step is to click on Google Classroom. As your students or parents are clicking on Google Classroom, everything's still looking okay. They click the plus sign to join the classroom. Okay, we know this. Paste in the code that was shared, and here's where the problem is happening. The error code pops up that you're not able to join this classroom. They send the screenshot to the teacher, red alert, I can't get in, what do I do now? Let me show you what's happening. I linked in from ClassLink, I clicked on Google Classroom and this tab opened into, take a look at the page. It's not my school district sbmc.org account, my Google account. It's my personal Google account. I know for a couple different reasons. First of all, I don't see any classrooms connected with Martin County School District. I only see a personal classroom that I joined at the Learning Forward conference a couple months ago. I also, in the upper right-hand corner, see this icon here does not match my school district icon. When I hover over it, my Google account credentials do not match the sbmc.org credentials that should be logged in. I'm in my personal Google account, and that's why the error message just popped up when I tried to join Google Classroom. So what your students need to do, or what parents need to do to help the student, is click on that icon and find the 4300 number and log in. If they don't see it, add another account, type in the 4300 number, type in the password, then that account will log in to a new tab. Check out my tabs. I have the tab I was just in with my personal account. I can now close that. I don't need that anymore. Now that I'm logged in and I hover over, I see 4300 at sbmc.org. Also on the page, I see classrooms connected with Martin County School District. And it looks like as a mama, I have some work to do and get my own student into her own classroom to get ready to learn for remote learning. But let me finish up really quickly and show you. Now when I click the plus sign and I paste in that same join code and I click join, I will not get an error message anymore. I will be allowed to join that classroom. So just to show you that the error is happening because they're not logged into the sbmc.org account. Even if they're going through ClassLink, once they launch from ClassLink, I'm going to get out of this is not the classroom my daughter needs. Once I launch from ClassLink, make sure in the upper right-hand corner you're logged into the sbmc.org account connected with the school district. If not, click the icon, log into it, then the classroom you can join without any issues. I hope this helps clarify a couple of things that are popping up as you're trying to get students to log into your Google Classroom. I admire all of the hard work that you're putting in. Hey teacher, you got this. I love you guys so, so much. Have a great day.